these are not two chromosomes. This is just one chromosome, but that has replicated. So these are called sister chromatids. Sister chromatids. So this is a chromatid, this is a chromatid. Now this is the centromere, the point that holds the two sister chromatids together. And then the shorter arm is called the P arm, and the longer arm is called the Q arm. Okay, these are basics. Now, what is the function of the centromere? What is the function of the centromere? Now, this is the function of the centromere. Recall that before the cell divides, these two chromatids will have to separate. They will have to separate, okay? And then this is what happens here. In this case, let's write it in form of an X. So let's say this is the chromosome here inside. Okay, let's use the black marker. This is the chromosome inside. So remember, the spindle fibers begin to form somewhere at the poles, right? Now these two sister chromatids will have to divide. So this is what happens. The centromere, these spindle fibers will bind to the centromere. They'll bind to the centromere. Then, after that, they will drag these two sister chromatids towards the poles. So we now have something like this. Okay. So the spindle fibers are dragging these two sister chromatids towards the poles. You see, they are separated. And then later on, we'll have something like this. So okay, so we have something like this. The two sister chromatids are now towards the pole. Okay, after that we have the cytokinesis, and we have complete two new daughter cells having one chromatid each. So the function of the centromere is to attach to the spindle fibers. So the spindle fibers attach to the chromosomes at the centromere and drag the sister chromatids towards the poles during cell division. So that's the function of the centromere.